the common issues we face in this season are your colds and coughs. Why not turn to our plant friends to help us ease out of our hachus and rather than running to a dispensary close by and taking some allopathic medication? Here we have with us the cold and cough package by Urban Mali. We have 11 different plants that help ease you out of your cold and cough blues. Here we have pippali or hippali or long pepper. Long pepper produces small pods which are very pungent if you just bite into it. These pods can be boiled, made into a decoction, and had about 2 or 3 times a day, which is very good for mucus elimination from your lungs. Oregano is also used for mucus elimination. What you have to do is make a hot tea with fresh oregano leaves in it and drink it. You sip on the tea, you feel your lungs open up. Sage is very good for a hoarse throat. Again, a hot tea made out of sage will help you relieve, the stress of your throat. The other plant that's great as a tea is spearmint. This is spearmint, but you can also use peppermint and pudina, make it into a hot tea, and it helps clear your sinuses. Aloe vera is not only used in skin, but it's also used for a cough. So, especially a dry throat. So, if you mix the aloe vera gel with some honey and lemon and consume it, you get a lot of relief. You've been coughing all day, so it helps relieve the stress and dryness of your throat. The mother of all herbs, tulsi, is great, for so many reasons. But when you mix it with some ginger powder and consume it as a hot tea, at least 4 or 5 times a day, you feel a great relief in your constant coughing. Dodda patre is what we South Indians love because it's used in so many different dishes. Dodda patre is used in chutneys and tambulis, but you can grind the dodda patre leaves, at least about 6 or 7 nice big leaves, grind it, make it into a juice with some honey or date syrup and lemon juice and drink it. It's also lovely to give for children. You can even bite into the leaves and you feel some amount of instant comfort. Garlic chives or just the garlic pod in general is great for lung congestion. Biting into the garlic pods or adding these raw chives to any of your dishes give you some relief from a lung infection or a lung congestion. Adu soge or adatoda is lovely to use while inhaling steam. So add a few leaves of adatoda to boiling water and inhale the steam, and you can feel your nasal area being decongested and then your lungs as well. So lovely to have a plant of adatoda growing in your garden. Then we have lemongrass. We all love lemongrass because it's such a delicious plant. It's so flavorful and so aromatic as well. Lemongrass can be boiled as a hot tea and had to relieve yourself of a constant running nose and a nasal infection. Which leaves us with the last plant, which is ginger. Now, ginger is one of those plants that we go to for so many different medicinal relief, right? But ginger is used for cold and cough. Either you bite into a ginger rhizome or put it in your food or have a hot tea out of it. Ginger is really, really good for you. So if you would like to have one of these packages, get in touch with us. We're at urbanmali.com. You can call us at 8804 82 000. We're waiting to hear from you.